Here's how to make a shared Spotify playlist. Open the Spotify app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom right corner, tap on the Create option. Select Collaborative Playlist from the menu. Enter a name for your playlist. For example, you can name it Friends Playlist. Tap on Create. After creating the playlist, an invite window will appear. Tap on Copy Link to copy the invitation link. Share the link with your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram, or any social media app. After that, open the playlist and then tap on Add to this playlist. Click the plus button to add songs to the playlist. Your friends can also add or remove songs once they join. Another way to invite collaborators. Tap on your library at the bottom. Select the playlist you already created. Tap on the 3 horizontal dots. Scroll down and select Invite Collaborators. Select the Copy Link option. Share the link with your friends to open the playlist. And that's it.